Do you feel scared when you try to speak English?
Yes, my mind goes blank. I know words, but I can't speak.
Then this episode is exactly for you. Hello, and welcome back. You are listening to a safe place where English feels easy and natural.
And no pressure, no stress, just simple learning, like talking to a friend.
Yes, because today we are starting from zero. No big grammar, no difficult rules.
Just real speaking, step by step.
Omar, let me ask you something. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to speak English, but you couldn't?
Oh, yes. Many times. At work, when I meet new people, even online. I think in my mind, what should I say? But nothing comes out.
And how do you feel in that moment?
Honestly, I feel small. Like I am not confident, even though I understand some English.
That feeling is very common. And today, we will fix it, step by step. Omar, many people make one big mistake.
What mistake?
They try to speak long, perfect sentences.
Yes, that's me.
But listen, you don't need perfect English. You need simple English.
Simple?
Yes, like this. I am tired. I am hungry. I go to work. Small, clear, easy.
Oh, that feels possible.
Let's practice, okay? Repeat after me. I am ready. I can speak. I start today.
I am ready. I can speak. I start today.
Good. Again, with confidence. Let me tell you a story. There was a boy. His name was Rohan. He wanted to speak English, but he was very shy. One day, he made a rule.
What rule?
Only 5 sentences every day. Not more, not less. Day 1, I am Rohan. Day 2, I like tea. Day 3, I go to market. Slowly, slowly. After 2 months, he started speaking full conversations.
Just 5 sentences?
Yes! Small steps, big result.
Aisha, I think in my language. Then I translate.
That's the problem. Don't translate. Start thinking in English, but very simple.
How?
Look around you. Say in your mind, this is a chair. This is my phone. I am sitting. No pressure, just thinking. Repeat practice. Repeat with me. This is my room. I am learning English. I am improving. This is my room. I am learning English. I am improving. Now, very important. Let's talk about common mistakes.
Yes, I make many mistakes.
That's okay. Listen carefully. Mistake 1. I am go to market. Correct? I go to market. Mistake 2. He go to work. Correct? He goes to work. Mistake 3. I am understand. Correct? I understand.
Oh, I say these wrong sometimes.
It's okay. Now you know. You improve. Omar, do you practice daily?
Not really.
That's why progress is slow. Even 10 minutes every day is enough.
What should I do in those 10 minutes?
Simple. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Speak about your day. Example. I wake up at 8. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Another story. A girl named Sana. She had no one to practice with. So what did she do?
What?
She spoke to her mirror every day. At first, she laughed, felt strange. But after some days, she became confident. Now, she speaks fluently.
Wow. Mirror practice.
Yes, your best partner is you.
Aisha, I feel scared. What if I make mistakes?
Listen carefully. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teacher. If you don't make mistakes, you don't learn. Even children make mistakes when they learn to speak. Say this with me. Mistakes are okay. I am learning. I am growing. Mistakes are okay. I am learning. I am growing. Don't learn difficult English. Learn real English. Example? Instead of, I would like to consume food. Say, I want to eat. Instead of, I am extremely exhausted. Say, I am very tired.
Yes.
This is easier.
Let's do a small conversation. I will speak. You repeat. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine.
What are you doing?
I am learning English.
Very good. Omar, tell me honestly. Why do you want to learn English?
I want confidence, better job, better life.
And that is possible. Not in one day, but step by step. You are not late. You are just starting now. Listen, you don't need perfect English to start. You need courage.
Courage.
Yes. Just speak. Even broken English. Because broken English is better than silence. Repeat slowly. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am not afraid. I start now.
I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am not afraid. I start now.
If you felt this, if this helped you, then don't stop here
Yes. Practice daily.
and come back again and again. Because learning English is not one step. It is a journey.
And we are with you in every step.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who feels scared to speak English.
Because maybe they need this, just like you did.
Keep speaking. Keep growing.
See you in the next episode.